Good day, listeners. You are welcome back to yet another segment of our e-learning under the subject mathematics. We are going to continue with our previous topic, sequences. And you remember we treated arithmetic progression and equally geometric progression. Today we are going to see a subtopic, the sum of arithmetic progression and geometric progression. Sum of arithmetic progression and geometric progression. The sum of any series can be determined using the formula related to the series. The sum of any series can be determined using the formula related to the series. For arithmetic progression, AP, the sum is determined using the formula sum of n term equals to n over 2 capital bracket 2a plus n minus 1 in bracket d, where sum of n, all right, the sum of any series can be determined using the formula related to the series. For arithmetic progression, AP, the sum is determined using the formula sum of n term equals to n over 2 capital bracket 2a plus n minus 1 bracket d, where Sn is the sum of n term, a is first term, d is the common difference, or sum of n term equals n over 2 open bracket a plus l, where l is the last term. Now for geometric progression, which is GP, the sum is determined using the formula Sn equals to a open bracket r raised to the power n minus 1 over r minus 1, where r is greater than 1. Student, take note. Sum of Sn, sum of n term is a into r raised to the power n minus 1 all over r minus 1. This is when r is greater than 1, that is when the common ratio is more than 1. Or you can use sum of n term equals to a into 1 minus r raised to the power n over 1 minus r. This is when r is less than 1. So the formulas are used depending on the value of the common ratio. If the common ratio is more than 1, you use the first formula. If the common ratio is less than 1, you use the second formula. Example. We are expected to find the sum stated for each of the following APs. Find the sum stated for each APs below. Question A, we have find the sum of the 20th term of minus 9, minus 4, 1, dash, 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 dash. B, find the sum of the first 50 terms of the AP 5.5, 4, 2.5. Solution. You observe the sequence very well. We are given minus 9, we are given minus 4, we are given 1. We need to find the variables. Number 1, the first term is a, which is minus 9. D is T2 minus T1. T2 minus T1, which is equals to minus 4 minus 9. Minus 4 minus 9. And minus will give us plus. So we have minus 4 plus 9. Minus 4 plus 9 will give us 5. Now the formula for the sum of n term is given by sum of n term equals to n over 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 bracket d. Sum of n term is n over 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 bracket d. Now we are expected to find the sum of 20th term. The sum of the 20th term as the question requested. Therefore, sum of 20th term will be 20 over 2. Anywhere you see n, you replace with 20. So 20 divided by 2, open bracket, 2 multiplying minus 9, which is the first term, plus n 20 minus 1, all in bracket multiplying 5. Now if you divide 20 by 2, the result will be 10. So we'll be having 10, open bracket, 2 times minus 9 is minus 18, plus 20 minus 1 is 19. 19 multiplying 5, you will get 95. So simplifying further, we'll be having 10, open bracket, minus 18 plus 95. And if you simplify 95 minus 18, the result is 77. Multiplying 77 by 10, we'll be having 10 times 77. And the sum of the first 20 terms will be 770. Sum of the first 20 terms, 770. Then B, the sequence is 5.5, 4, 2.5, dash, 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 dash. The first term is 5.5. The common difference is T2 minus T1, which is 4 minus 5.5. It will give us minus 1.5. Then sum of n term, we are expected to find the sum of the first 50 terms. The question demanded that we should find the sum of the first 50 terms of the series. Now, the sum of n term is n over 2, open bracket, 2a plus n minus 1, bracket d. And when you substitute appropriately, sum of the first 50 terms will be 50 over 2, open bracket, 2 multiplied by 5.5 plus 50 minus 1 times the common difference, which is minus 1.5. Proceeding, 50 divided by 2 will be having 25. Open bracket, 2 times 5.5 change to improper will be having 11 over 2 plus 50 minus 1 is 49. Multiplied by 1.5 change to improper will be minus 3 over 2. So simplifying further, we'll be having 25, open bracket, 2 divides 2, we are left with 11, minus 147 divided by 2, because 49 times 3 is 147. Positive, negative, negative. Simplifying the brackets according to the principle of BODMAS, we pick the LCM, and the LCM of 2 and 1 is 2. So 2 divided by 1 is 2. 2 times 11, you have 22. 22, 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 times 147 is 147. So we proceed by subtracting 147 from 22, and we'll be having minus 125. So 25, open bracket, minus 125 divided by 2. If you multiply the numerator with the term outside the bracket, we'll be having 3,125 divided by 2. Positive, negative is negative. So it will be minus 3,125 divided by 2. If you divide that by 2, the result will be minus 1,556.5. Or you can give it decimally. We have minus 1,562.5. That is the sum of the first 50 terms of the arithmetic progression. Example 2, we are going to cite examples based on sum of geometric progression. And so the question goes like this: find the sum stated for each GPs below. Find the sum stated for each of the following GPs. A. We are expected to find the sum of the first 10 terms of 4, 8, 16, so on and so forth. To find the sum of the first 10 terms of 4, 8, 16. And B, we are expected to find the sum of the first 8 terms. Find the sum of the first 8 terms of 1 over 9, minus 1 over 3, and 1. I repeat the question again. Find the sum of the first 10 terms of the GP 4, 8, 16. B. Find the sum of the first 8 terms of 1 over 9, minus 1 over 3, 1. Let's see our solutions. Solution to question A. Given our GP as 4, 8, 16, we first find the common ratio. We need to find the common ratio. Of course, from the question given, our first term, which is A, is equal to 4, while the common ratio is T2 divided by T1. T2 divided by T1, which is the second term, that is 8, divided by the first term, which is 4. And 8 divided by 4, the result will give us 2. 8 divided by 4, the result is 2. Now, from the question, we are expected to find the sum of the first 10th term. We are expected to find the sum of the first 10th term. Now, deduce the formula. Sum of n term is A, open bracket, R raised to the power n minus 1, divided by R minus 1, because our common ratio is more than 1. The common ratio is more than 1. As you can see, the common ratio is 2. So we use sum of n term equals to A, open bracket, R raised to the power n minus 1 divided by R minus 1. Therefore, when we substitute the variable given, n is 10, sum of 10 terms will give us A is 4, open bracket, common ratio is 2. So we have 2 raised to the power 10 minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1. And if you simplify further, you will have 4, open bracket, 2 raised to the power 10 is not 2 times 10, but 2 multiplying itself in 10 places. So it will be 2 times 2 times 2 up to 10 places. And the result will give us 1024. 2 raised to the power 10 is 1024. And minus 1. All divided by 2 minus 1, the result there is 1. So 1024 minus 1 will be giving us the result as 1023. 1023. Now, opening bracket, 4 multiplying 1023, the result would give us 4092. 4092. So the sum of the first 10 terms of the geometric progression will be 4092. The last question, which is B, we are given our first term as 1 over 9, our second term minus 1 over 3, the third term is 1. So we are to deduce, first of all, our common ratio. And what is our common ratio? Our common ratio is T2 divided by T1. T2 divided by T1. And the first term is 1 over 9. The first term is 1 over 9. So when we substitute accordingly, our T2 is minus 1 over 3 divided by 1 over 9. Minus 1 over 3 divided by 1 over 9. Now, in mathematical simplification, we have the right to change division to multiplicational sign for simple calculation. So, minus 1 over 3, instead of divided by 1 over 9, we'll change it to minus 1 over 3 times the 9 will be inverted, 9 over 1. The numerator becomes the denominator, while the denominator becomes the numerator. Now we have minus 1 over 3 multiplying 9 over 1. When you do that, you have minus 1 times 9. The result is minus 9. Divided by 3 times 1 is 3. So minus 9 divided by 3, the result is minus 3. Minus 9 divided by 3, the result is minus 3. Now we'll go ahead to deduce, to extract our formula. Sum of n term is a, open bracket, 1 minus r raised to power n, all divided by 1 minus r. Why do we use this formula? Because the common ratio is less than 1. The common ratio is less than 1. The common ratio there is minus 3. And of course, minus 3 is certainly less than 1. So we use sum of n term is a, open bracket, 1 minus r raised to power n divided by 1 minus r, since r is less than 1. Therefore, from the question, we are expected to find the sum of the first 8 terms. We are expected to find the sum of the first 8 terms. Sum of the first 8 terms, substituting the variable. Our first term is 1 over 9. So we have 1 over 9, open bracket, 1 minus, common ratio, minus 3 raised to power 8. 1 over 9, open bracket, 1 minus 3 raised to power 8, all divided by 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3. So simplifying further, we'll be having 1 over 9, open bracket, 1 raised minus 6,561. 6,561, because minus 3 raised to power 8 is 6,561. 6,561, all divided by minus in the denominator give us plus. That is why we are having 1 plus 3. So 1 over 9, open bracket, 1 minus 6,561 will give us minus 6,560. Minus 6,560, all divided by 4. Opening the bracket, we'll be having 1 over 9 multiplied by minus 1,640, because 6,560 divided by 4 give us minus 1,640. Now 1 times minus 1,640 still give us minus 1,640, all divided by 9. Hence, the sum of the first 8 term of the geometric progression equals minus 182 whole number 2 over 9. Minus 182 whole number 2 over 9. Now, before we conclude our lesson, we'll have a review. You have to have a recap of the sum of a series, which can be determined using any formula related to the series. Any series can be determined the sum using the formula related to it. And we have the arithmetic progression, we have the geometric progression. And there is a formula for the sum of arithmetic progression. We equally have formula for the sum of geometric progression. So for the arithmetic progression, the sum of n term is n over 2, open bracket, 2a plus n minus 1 bracket d. N over 2, open bracket, 2a plus n minus 1 bracket d, where sum of n is sum of n term, Sn, and a is the first term, d is the common difference. Sn is sum of the first n term, a is the first term, d is the common difference. Or you can have sum of n term equals n over 2 open bracket a plus l close bracket. Sum of n term is n over 2 open bracket a plus l, where l is the last term. In the same vein, for a geometric progression, the sum of the n term is given by Sn equals to a open bracket r raised to power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. Sum of n term is a open bracket r raised to power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. This is when the common ratio is more than 1. This is when the common ratio is more than 1. Or you use the formula sum of n term equals 1 minus r raised to power n over r 1 minus r. A into 1 minus r raised to power n divided by 1 minus r. This is when r is less than 1. The common ratio, when it is less than 1, you use the second formula. Now, in our examples, as we cited, the first example, we are expected to find the sum of the 20th term of the AP minus 9, minus 4, 1. And in B, find the sum of the first 20 terms of 5.5, 4, 2.5. And in our solution, we see that our first question, the first term is given as minus 9. This common difference is T2 minus T1, and we arrive at 5. Substituting in the formula, we have the sum of the first 20 term as 20 over 2 into 2 times minus 9 plus 20 minus 1 multiplying 5, which is the common difference. And if you simplify further, you have the sum of the first 20 term as 770. And then in B, we have also the first term as first 5.5. T2 minus T1 is the common difference, which is minus 1.5. And then we are expected to find the sum of the first 20 terms. The sum of the n term is n over 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 bracket d. If you substitute, you have sum of the first 50 term equals to 50 over 2 open bracket 2 times 5.5 plus 50 minus 1 into minus 1 over 2. And we proceed further and substitute appropriately. The sum of the first 50 term will be minus 1,562, or number 1 over 2. Or you can just say it when you divide decimally, minus 1,562.5. And then in the geometric progression, we are expected to find the sum of the first n term, and we are also given the formula. Student, you are expected to take note that these formulas are in 4-figure table. The formulas are in 4-figure table. In case you cannot grab it up here, you can make referral to 4-figure table. Now, before we conclude the lesson, I would like to leave this assignment so that you can practice, because practice made perfect. So assignment question 1, we are having find the sum of the indicated term of each of the following APs. We are expected to find the sum indicated for each of the following APs. A, 18, 14, 10. We are to find the sum of the first 20 terms of that AP. Find the sum of the first 20 terms of that AP. Where B, minus 15, minus 9, minus 3. We are expected to find the sum of the first 10 terms of that AP. First 10 terms of that AP. Then question number 2, find the sum indicated for each of the following GPs. Below, question A, under number 2, we have 9, 27, 81. We have to find the sum of the first 7 terms in that GP. 9, 27, 81. Find the sum of the 7 terms of the GP. And the last question, which is B, we have 1 over 16, minus 1 over 8, 1 over 4. We are expected to find the sum of the 8th term of the GP. Student to find the sum of the first 8th term of the GP. As you practice, you will get used to it and it will be part of you, and you can be able to tackle any problem in case you are posed with a question in your forthcoming examination. My reference materials or the textual material will have the New General Mathematics for Senior Secondary School Book 3, New General Mathematics for Senior Secondary School Book 3, and also we have Q&A, popularly known as question and answers. Q&A, question and answers in mathematics. I remain your maths teacher, Mr. Bakoy Monday, with the phone number 080-2525-9755. 080-2525-9755. Wish you good luck, stay home, stay safe, and keep learning.